Alright, so I was going to make a quick video installing the JD custom titanium studs. I got the OEM ones right now. Basic hand tools, and I'll show you how I put them on. Alright, so I just got the STM cover on there. I'm going to take it off. It's not even bolted up or anything. Alright, so to remove them, I'm going to just use two nuts. Basically, you can use the ones that we're holding on the exhaust manifold. But I low-key lost mine, so I'm going to just use... I found some that work. So you put one in reverse, like facing the opposite way that you would normally, and then you put one regular. And once they're both on there, you just want to tighten them together. You just want to turn the one on the back counterclockwise. So it's starting to spin, so that means I need to tighten it more. I'm going to try an impact. Yeah, so you want to loosen up the one on the back counterclockwise. And if you could see, the stud is turning with it. And then the stud's off. And then the only thing about these are actually a little bigger. They're going to be 14 mils. Alright, so we got the stud as a 3mm Allen key on the front, and then you just go until you bottom it out. Just like that. Alright, so for all these bottom ones, we're going to add some gasket maker on the threads itself. And here's why. If you look right here, there's actually a hole that goes through the head. So basically, if you don't put gasket maker, you could possibly get an oil leak coming through the threads. So you want to add gasket maker. Alright, so that's the studs on. That's the way I was able to install them. Use it as a guide, and then the lower ones I did add the gasket maker. And I'm going to just mock everything up so you can see how it looks with the BSF manifold.